In this video, I want to show you how to import a contract address to your wallet. Now, for instance, this is my Trust wallet and I want to import a contract address of any project to my wallet. What I will do, I'll just go straight to my CoinMarketCap app and copy a contract address of any particular project that I know that is trending, and you hardly find it difficult to get their contract address. Now, how do we get the contract address of such project? Now, let's head over to our CoinMarketCap. As an example, our CoinMarketCap here. Open our CoinMarketCap to copy our contract address. Sorry. Now, this is our CoinMarketCap here. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'll be making use of Shiba Inu coin, for example, for the purpose of this video. Now, how do we get our Shiba Inu? Now, from the CoinMarketCap, there are list of coins and tokens listed here. Now, in order for you to locate our Shiba Inu, we just have to scroll down and search for Shiba Inu. Now, this is the Shiba Inu number 29, and I'll just click on the Shiba Inu here. Now, it's loading the data. Now, the current price of Shiba Inu is 0.50 after decimal points, 5 zeros before the actual before the figure here, which is very low. Is fluctuating. Now, to get our contract address, you can see the circulating supply is 589 trillion.24 trillion. Now we have holders of 2.96 million. Then maximum supply, we have 589.55 trillion Shiba Inu. Now, in order for you to get our contract address here, now we can see from here where it is written contracts. Now, this is where we can get our contract address. And mind you, the contract address can be used in our decentralized wallet, which is the MetaMask, the Trust wallet, OKS wallet, the Bitget wallet, the Binance wallet. If, for instance, you don't have the contract address. Now, this happened to other similar to other projects too. Like the likes of the blockchain Sage, the Wikicat, as many of you may know, the Crypt as example. And in our next video, I will talk about how to get the contract address of the Wikicat and also the Crypt contract address. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be talking about the Shiba Inu as an example. Now, you click on the contract address, the arrow down here. Now we have the contract address based on the Ethereum network, the Base network, the BNB BEP20 network. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to copy the BNB Smart Chain network down straight to our Trust wallet. Mind you, you can also use it in MetaMask. Now let's copy the double a square angle here, the square shape here at the down part, and you can see it shows copy. Now let's close it and head towards to our Trust wallet. Okay, asking me to verify. Now you can see there is no any project here, any coins here, any crypto here. Now you can see it said fund received. Now mind you, I want to import my Shiba Inu contract address into my wallet. Now what I will do next is for me to click on these two side here, the right corner. Now you can see click on manage crypto. Now, under the manage crypto, I'll click on the plus sign here at the right top corner here. Now, you can see the network. Mind you, we have it in the BNB, we have it in the Ethereum, we have it in the Base. Now, I'll click on the BNB because of this video. Then I'll paste my address. Then, boom. And the next thing, you'll see that everything appears here. Then I'll click on import. Now, you can see I've imported the Shiba Inu into my Trust wallet. In my Trust wallet, I'll just go back here and you can see here is the Shiba Inu BNB Smart Chain. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever we drop a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And mind you, on this channel we'll be talking about the crypto educations, how to make money online, and some other airdrops mining projects also, and how to make use of AI applications here. Yes, because I'm an AI specialist and I also deal with the cryptos, and I also deal with how to make money online. Thank you.